can see something exciting. I know what it is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Shab and thank you for watching. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. I do weekly uploads and it's all beauty, fashion, life related. So today I have an unboxing video of the Look Fantastic beauty box for April 2022. I've not opened it yet, and as far as I know at time of filming this, they haven't released what is in the boxes properly. They could be doing it right now, hence the spoiler alert. So yeah, this is what is in my April box. I do think from the website they may have two variations this month, from what I can gather. I'm excited to see what is in this month's box. Let's see what we got. So we've got the little April edit. There's power in the formula. 6 incredible new products to discover. I have a feeling it's very skincare. From what I could gather on the website, it was ingredients, all about the ingredients, healthy skin, skincare. So the first thing we've got is a sachet from Aveeno. So it's dermatologist tested. It's new face care that they've got. Calm and Restore for sensitive skin. Oat Gel Moisturiser. It's fragrance free. Instantly soothes and replenishes skin's moisture barrier. And it says it's for normal to dry skin. Prebiotic oat, calming, feverfew, I think that says. I have to excuse my nails. They are needing to be done. So that's what that looks like. Very nice. I've never tried anything with oats in it, actually. This formula is fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, tested on sensitive skin, fast absorbing, formulated to minimise the risk of allergies. So I know Aveeno is really, really good. It's a really good brand for sensitive skin. I know it's good for like eczema and things like that. In fact, yes, that is what I've heard. Oat baths. This is a thing apparently for if you've got chickenpox or eczema and stuff like that. So yeah, interesting. I can see something exciting. I know what it is. Okay, anyway. The next thing I've got, oh, Molton Brown. So it's a Molton Brown London Heavenly Gingerly Bath and Shower Gel. Oh, that smells very ginger. Oh, it smells really nice. I really like Molton Brown. So that's really nice. I know that Molton Brown's quite an expensive brand as well, to be fair. Exotic, alluring, escapist. I can't speak today. Anyway, so that's really nice. I'm looking forward to trying that. Okay, the next thing I've got is from Avant, and it is hyaluronic cocoa shea butter. Oh, they're really getting me with these words today. Tocopherol, tocopherol, argan, age restore, Hyalu replenish lip balm. Ooh. In fact, I think I seen this. I think this was the only product that they have mentioned that could be in the box. And I was very intrigued because they don't have a lip balm with hyaluronic acid in it. Hyaluronic cocoa shea butter and argan. It sounds unreal for your lips, and I'm quite prone to getting chapped lips. So that sounds absolutely gorgeous. But the next thing I've got is from Verso. It's hydration serum with niacinamide. And it's got the number 4 on it. So I'm not sure if that is like, this is number 4 in kind of maybe the steps or the range or something. Hydrating face serum with niacinamide, and the rest of it isn't in English. I've no idea what that is actually. I've never heard of that brand before. But yeah, nice little serum to try. Okay, the next thing I've got is from Kingsley. Elasticizer Booster Restoring Conditioner. I really like Philip Kingsley hair products. I've had a few before, masks and whatever else. It's quite a nice hair brand. It doesn't say much, it doesn't say anything else about it. Elasticizer Booster. I'm assuming it's, you know, it says restoring conditioner, so dry, damaged, coloured hair, whatever. That'd be nice to try. Get a good few goes out of that as well. It's a nice size. It is a 20ml bottle. I forgot to mention the lip balm is a 10ml tube, and the Verso is also a 10ml tube, and the Molton Brown is 100ml. So plenty there. Very nice. So the next product I've got is Pure Oil 100% concentrate tea tree oil. From Australian Body Care, it says. I think that is the brand. This is what it looks like. If you can see that. Interesting. I mean, that's really, really good for your skin. I know that it's really good for like blemishes and dry skin and stuff like that. And it's a 10ml bottle. I really like the smell of tea tree oil. It's going to be sealed. Oh, wow. Okay, maybe I don't like the smell of 100% pure tea tree oil. You could drop it in the bath. You could drop it in the bath. Or you can do like a steamer with it. Drop it in some hot water. Steam your face with it. Just thinking of ideas. Anything else, any other suggestions that you've got, leave them down below in the comment section. Let me know what you would use this for. And the last product I've got in here, which sneaky me caught a glimpse of, that I knew, and I knew what it was, is from Elemis, which is a skincare brand which I really like anyway. I've already got some Elemis products which I use on the regular. I've not got this one though, actually. This is the Elemis Soothing Apricot Toner, Calming Facial Toner. And it's a 50ml bottle, which is a really, really nice size. Obviously with toner as well, you don't use a lot. A little goes a long way. And I do have a similar product, but it's not the apricot. I think it's lemon. And I love that. I absolutely love it. I use the cleansing balm from the same range. It smells only slight. Really, really looking forward to using that. I love Elemis anyway. It's quite expensive, but they do actually do their own kind of mini versions like this. It was like £10 for 2 minis, and it was this size and a cleansing balm. Looking forward to using that. Wow, that is a really nice box. In terms of money's worth, I pay, I think it is £14.50, but like I mentioned, Elemis is an expensive brand, Molton Brown is an expensive brand. The other 4 products I've never tried before. I like Philip Kingsley and the Avant lip balm with the hyaluronic acid in it. I'm really, really, really looking forward to using that. I absolutely love this month's box. I think that's absolutely fab. It's clearly a really nice, I get the theme, I get the ingredients theme. It's very much, there's rich products here. There's really good ingredients, really, really good for your skin. Amazing pamper session right here. I've got a bit of everything. Let me know down below what you think of this month's box, and if you'll be purchasing it. Let me know if you do get the Look Fantastic box. I have to say it is one of my favourite boxes anyway. I've been subscribed for a while. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.